Dane Lackey, Maya Stevens, Lily Stevens, Iris Hoffman, and Lyric Riggs are going to share with you.
Our theme today is My Creative Spirit. Today we will be showing and telling you a lot about our own creativity and also inviting you to think about your own creative spirit. To help us with this, we will use the 5 basic unity principles. The first principle in big words goes like this: God is absolute good, everywhere present. There is only one power, one presence, God. We have a version for children and teens, and it goes like this: God is all good and active in everything, everywhere. But we can simplify that even further and say, God is good.
The second basic principle tells us that human beings have a spark of divinity within them. The cursed spirit within their very essence is of God, and therefore they are also good. The shorter children's version says, I am naturally good because God's divinity is in me and in everyone. So basically, if number 1 is God is good, then number 2 is so are we.
The third basic principle goes like this: human beings create their experience by the activity of their thinking. Everything in the manifest realm has its beginning in thought. The kid version goes like this: I create my experience by what I choose to think and what I feel and believe. Even shorter, we create our own reality. With this principle, we learn that we have power and we can choose what we create and experience. We can discover what lights us up and do that.
The fourth basic principle states that prayer is creative thinking that heightens the connection with God-mind and therefore brings forth wisdom, healing, prosperity, and everything good. Simply stated, through affirmative prayer and meditation, we connect with God and bring out the good in our lives. Even more simple, we talk to God, God talks to us.
The fifth and final basic principle is knowing and understanding the laws of life, also called truth, are not enough. A person must also live the truth that he or she knows. So this means that when I do and give my best by living the truth I know, I make a difference. Basically, we've got to talk the talk and walk the walk. Thank you.
Our first group song for you today is from our pre-K, kindergarten, first and second graders. It's about that divine goodness and light, the Christ light that lives in each of us, that Principle 2 is all about. This song is called Down in My Heart.
right there? Super. Hi, I'm Miss Christie, and I teach the upper elementary kids, 3rd through 5th grade. We call ourselves Uniteam because we are a team. So when we were planning this special service, I wanted to find some really fun music. And I love teaching the 5 basic principles because it really does inform everything about our life and everything that we believe here at Unity. So I found this song that was originally composed by the music directors at Unity of Fairfax in, help me, Oakton, Virginia. And it was written by Roger Tomhave and David Johnson. So this is the 5 basics.